forward the facts. Some of the facts would be played in the form of a video, which the evidence which has been provided to the Supreme Court by Mahavi Memon. We will be talking to her about her case. First of all, I would really like to ask you, why have you brought this case here?
To get justice for the people who suffered in the floods, clearly, and in this case, since it's against the Sindh government and the federal government, the people who suffered because of Sindh government and federal government are the people of Sindh and Balochistan. But no doubt the other provinces should not go scot-free. They are equally to blame for the devastation that was caused in their provinces, and they did not act properly. I'm very pleased that the Chief Justice talked about a judicial commission which was going to thoroughly investigate every single point. Clearly these are very technical matters, and clearly they need to be taken care of by a commission, and I'm very pleased that he discussed that today. And I'm also pleased that the Balochistan government, which was in fact a respondent in this case, acted in our favor, in the favor of justice, which is that it clearly blamed certain people for having made cuts, which after that destroyed large parts of Balochistan. The names, however, have not been given, but I hope that in due course, like the Chief Justice said, the government of Balochistan will have the courage to call a spade a spade. I also have given additional documents which include evidences as to how the Tori Band was in fact cut by government, and the admission of the Irrigation Minister of Sindh that yes, in fact, Gauspur, Loop Band, etc. were cut by them strategically and intentionally as per them.
Now, I would really like to ask you here, where did you get this evidence from? Has it fallen out of sky, or have you gone there? What is
evidence? Today there was an evidence which was given to us by an eyewitness who is also a correspondent with another private TV channel of Sindh, and also similarly I also got the other piece of evidence from another TV channel. So the TV channels had also been asked to provide evidences because clearly they were eyewitnesses to all these events. A lot of the evidence is still...
Are you witness to any of the events yourself?
Clearly, because I was there in terms of relief, rescue and rehabilitation. So I have seen the criminal negligence of this province in all three areas, and I have seen that myself, especially when I set up camp, and especially now that I'm doing rehab myself.
That's what led you to the Supreme Court, despite the fact that you had the Assembly, National Assembly as a forum.
It has not given justice. Therefore, I have turned to the judiciary, and I am expecting, and I am inshallah getting justice from the judiciary. I'm very pleased with what was stated today. I look forward to December 1st, and the government needs to really respond to their criminal negligence. They better come up with some answers.
Looking forward to justice. Indeed. Thank you very much.